Once upon a time, in a cheerful little town, there lived three best friends, Mia, Sam, and Lily. They were always together, playing, laughing, and discovering new things. Every day was an adventure for them. They loved exploring the big forest behind their homes, where the trees stood tall and the birds sang sweet songs. One sunny morning, as the friends played near the edge of the forest, they heard a soft rustling sound. Curious as always, Mia said, "Let's go see what it is." Sam, who loved animals, hoped it was a cute bunny, and Lily, always the brave one, led the way. As they wandered deeper into the woods, they noticed something sparkly on the ground. "What's this?" Lily asked, picking it up. It was a shimmering key, with a beautiful rainbow glow. None of them had ever seen anything like it. "It must open something special," said Sam, excitedly. The three friends began searching the forest for a lock that matched the key. They climbed over logs, peeked under bushes, and even asked a friendly squirrel if it knew. Just as they were about to give up, Mia noticed a big, old tree with a tiny door carved into its trunk. "Look! Over there," she pointed. They hurried over, and to their amazement, the key fit perfectly into the lock. The door creaked open, revealing a magical path lined with glowing flowers and twinkling lights. "Wow," gasped Lily. "It's like a secret world." With wide eyes and pounding hearts, they stepped inside. The path led them to a beautiful hidden garden, where colorful butterflies danced in the air, and talking animals roamed around. A wise old owl perched on a golden branch greeted them. "Welcome, brave adventurers. You have found the key to our enchanted land." The owl told them that their friendship and teamwork had unlocked the magic. "Only those who care for each other and work together can find this place," he explained. Mia, Sam, and Lily were thrilled. They spent the day playing with the magical creatures, discovering new wonders, and learning special secrets of the enchanted garden. As the sun began to set, the owl guided them back to the tiny door. "You can visit any time," he said with a wink. "Just remember, friendship is the key to every adventure." The three best friends returned home, their hearts full of joy and wonder. From that day on, they had a new secret, a magical world they could visit whenever they wanted, as long as they were together. And so, Mia, Sam, and Lily's friendship grew even stronger, proving that the best adventures happen when you have your best friends by your side.